Yo, welcome to the beginning of Negroni week. This year, I'm going to show you guys, I think, one of my favorite non-typical twists with our good friends at Feels. If you like coffee Negroni kind of vibes, hot diggity damn. Let's start. It's a super easy drink. We've not got the traditional Negroni spec here. It's actually 45 ml of Feels Revel, which is their coffee, Illawarra plum, and ginseng Eau de Vie. 15 ml of our bitter. Finally, our good friends at Revel Eau de Vermouth. So we're using 45 ml of that vermouth. Now we're going to stir this bad boy down over ice, and then finally we're going to strain it into our rocks glass filled with ice too. Now to garnish this bad boy, we're going to use a little bit of blood orange because it's in season at the moment. I'm expecting coffee, juiciness, richness, not your typical Negroni. Still a banger.